So it's the full moon in October. It's a full moon in Aries. Full moon's a good time to do, banishing ceremonies or things, just to get things out of your life, to remove things. Where the new moon is considered a great time for bringing things in and welcoming new opportunities. And so yeah, with the full moon in mind, one of the gardening tasks I'm going to do today is cutting back some things for fall. I'll be cutting back some of my hostas because they're done. I have quite a few hostas actually. In fact, I'm going to remove one altogether because it didn't do very well in the spot it's in. A little too much sun for a hosta. I'm going to cut back some of my big roses, and I might even do a bit of flower pressing. So I'm going to try and press, what am I going to press? Oh, I'm going to try nasturtiums. I think that's a bit of a tall order, but I'm going to try it. Yeah, there's so many still, and it just feels like a shame to get rid of them. And then I'm going to try my cosmos too, because I have a nice handful of those, which I think press really well. I've never tried it. Maybe I'll even try some foxglove, because I have those too. So I'll show you a little video of me cutting some of that back. And yeah, what I'm not cutting back is my echinacea, because the birds feed on that. So that's good to keep that up high so the birds can come snack. Yeah, so that's the tasks we're going to start with today. Here's a quick little video of one of the echinacea plants, how wonderful it looks, those tall stems, those fabulous seeds just waiting for someone to come along and enjoy them. So I love that. All right, thanks for watching. I've cut back most of my hostas. I've been in the garden now for quite a few hours, so time to eat something, have a cup of tea. Yeah, hopefully you got some inspiration from today's video. I hope you do a banishing ritual of your own during the full moon today. And yeah, leave a comment below, please. Like, subscribe, tell your friends. Have a great day.